FOS 13's Australian and Oceania channel for Wednesday the 19th of December. And we start off this update looking at the local weather. And first off, the mark is the latest instability from 7 AM through to about the same period tomorrow morning. Each of these images are 3-hourly periods, and temperatures: Sydney currently 21, going to reach 25, Melbourne is 19, maximum 25, Brisbane very sticky, 27.2 at present, maximum 30, Perth 16.9, maximum 29, Adelaide 24, today's temperature 35 degrees. Now we have a look at supercell probabilities. Hobart, nice 17.2 degrees, maximum only going to be 22, partly cloudy. For Adelaide, morning storm. Sunday, Perth sunny. Brisbane partly cloudy, shower or two in Melbourne, shower or two also in Sydney. Canberra 18.5 degrees at present, maximum 29, and up there in the Northern Territory, Darwin 29.7, maximum 34, partly cloudy. Storm probability. And we have in place a moderate flood warning New South Wales for the Orara River. There's no warnings for Victoria. Final flood warning has been issued by the Bureau of Meteorology for the Worrell Creek. That's near the Amberley Air Base. Major flood warning for the Condamine River, and a flood warning for the lower Diamantina. Now we look at the wind probability, and again it's at tropical low. For Western Australia, strong wind warning, Nigaloo, the Gascoyne, Geraldton, Perth Coast. No warnings for South Australia. No warnings for the Northern Territory or the ACT. Now we have a look at the 12-hourly rainfall from the Bureau. Not much to talk about. Rainfall scale, right hand side of the screen. And it looks like it'll be the tip of Cape York up towards Thursday Island. The Bureau's total forecast of rain. And over the 8 days the picture does slightly change when you look at the yellow through to the light green. And then look at the tropical North Queensland coast. Now we have a look at the latest upper level divergence. The upper level divergence is about 20 knots where the Ex Owen is located. Wind shear. The 24-hour shear tendency. The systems love the light wind shear, which is the blue, through to the light green. 3 hours of interest, 850 millibar vorticity, ex-tropical cyclone Owen. There's a low down there tracking south from Western Australia into the Great Australian Bight. That's expected to deepen slightly. Now we have a look at the total precipitation. The scale is along the bottom of the screen, and what I look for is the area in yellow through to dark brown, and the picture does change considerably. Looks like the North Island of New Zealand, but it's the area north of Cairns. And what's the latest tracks on this very stubborn tropical low? Here's the GEFS model. The Bureau of Meteorology yesterday afternoon via the Tropical Cyclone 3-day outlook for the Coral Sea reported that next tropical cyclone Owen was located off the central coast. A low-level circulation will remain visible off the Queensland coast, however redevelopment of the system will be restricted due to high wind shear, dry to mid to upper levels of the atmosphere. As a result, there's a very low chance of the system redeveloping to a tropical cyclone. The Joint Typhoon Warning Centre has upgraded their position to high. They've issued a tropical cyclone formation alert for a tropical low near Madagascar. Now we have a look at various models. Caution needs to be applied because the information does change considerably. This is the icon model, but in providing this information, it provides a picture which is changeable. And with less than a week before Christmas Day, what is the weather going to do across Australia? Now we have a look at the NOAA floaters, and you can clearly see that the low level circulation is clearly visible when you view these various NOAA floaters. The Joint Typhoon Warning Centre's position really hasn't changed on the 05P. Animated enhanced infrared satellite imagery, radar imagery from the Mackay radar indicates isolated deep convection to the east and a well-defined low-level circulation with significant dry air over the equatorial side. Upper-level analysis indicates a marginal environment, low vertical wind shear, 10 to 15 knots, limited upper level outflow. And you can clearly see the dry air when you look at the water vapour. The dry air is the area in yellow. There is a slight probability that the system may regenerate as a warm core tropical cyclone. So that's the information that was relayed via my earlier update. And Owen, Ex Owen or 05P, 19.8 south, 152.6 degrees east.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, our YouTube page youtube.com/Force13, on Facebook under the same name Force 13, and our Twitter handle, it's @Force13 if you wish to get in touch. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.